Okay, welcome back to the channel, guys. I kind of forgot to press the video. We're putting the new fire and ice steps on the Defender. I just did the passenger side because that's the easiest side, so I can kind of understand how it goes together. This side, I'll go through this one because you got to get around the fuel tank if you got a Defender 90, especially earlier one with the fuel tank right here under your driver's seat. We'll go through. I can show you on the other side where the bolts go. But yeah, there's a bolt that goes up here on the rail here. There's a nut. Get it right. There's a nut and bolt at the very end of the frame rail here, there that you got to take out, and then you put the M8 13mm nut and bolt through there, which grabs onto the top of the down legs of the step, and then you have some kickbacks, which I've got right here. This one just clips onto the socket frame where the radius arm comes through, where that bushing is, and the back one you take out the bolt of the triangular washer and you put a new 17mm M10 through and put your kickstay on that side. So pretty simple. Let's get this in real quick. I'm just taking the one bolt out right now. And there's not a lot of room in here, so I can't really show you what I'm doing because I'm only working within a couple of inches. I can't even get a ratchet wrench on here, so it's I can't even get a ratchet period socket set on this one. This one's going to have to be done by wrenches or in England spanners. 13mm to take the one off and 13mm to put the new one in. This is a bit boring, so I'll get back to you in a second. Just so you guys know, we're working right up here. This is the sill right here. This is your frame rail, and I'm taking this nut out, which is the very back, if you can see that. I'll show you on the other side once we get it done. So I'm going to take this nut out, and then this goes up and gets hooked on with the new bolt. All right, I got the nut bolt washers off. I just did it off camera, but I just stuck that bolt in. Really easy to get in. Notice that this part of the step has this cutout on it. That's going to allow to go over this lip of the tank, and you got to be on this side of it. So let's get that in. I'll move the camera real quick, otherwise I'm blocking you. Now get this on. Okay. And there it is. Okay, so then we get the M10, which I've already put it through. You can see the new bolt in here. I took out the original one. Mine were the wrong size because I could only get 3/8 ones instead of the M10s at my hardware store. But I've got the correct size one in on this anyway. Then this comes up, pick your step out, and get your nut and washer in. Sorry, nut. These have serrated bolts and nuts, so there's no need for any Loctite, they say. And it also says that no lock washing needed because the serration goes in. So that's easy as that side there. And the same on this one. Pretty simple. Now this one, if I get you in, it's like a little clamp like this. So you've got to get it in there. So the easiest way I found, I got it in the back, especially with the fuel tank, because you can't really get it where you want it. Come on. I got it at the back and then I slid it down to where we really needed it. Yep, that's the way I did it over that side too. So I'm matching. And that's about where we need to be. About there. That's better. Not so bent there. Okay. And I'm going to double check to make sure I'm straight. And then 13 mil up here and 15 mil ratchet and wrench on these. And that's it, done. Very easy install, very fast. Okay, so I figured out that I can actually get the ratchet wrench on the back one here, 13 millimeter, and it's working. And like I said, the other side, left-hand side of the car, has no gas tank on it, petrol tank. So that makes it a little bit easier to get into. And a quick word of advice: if you can, get underneath and wash this area out or scrape all the mud so it doesn't fall on you. Makes a lot of difference. See if I can get this one on. Oh, I can, that's awesome. So. Pretty easy. Now I've got the ratchet wrench in. This side on the front of the car, there's just a hole. There is no nut or bolt to take out. It's just a hole. You got to find the right hole. So pretty much what I do or did is I went to the back and put the step up first to kind of figure out which bolt on the back I gotta take out and which hole in the front takes the new one. Oh, there we go. I think I classify that as tidy enough. And I'll show you the other side here. Right now, I'm going to take you off the tripod and show you though.
So this is the passenger side. Like I said, it's really easy to show you in here. So this is the back bolt. You have to take out the nut and bolt out of here. We'll have a 13 millimeter M8 bolt there. And then this hole right here at the front, this one will just be a hole. You see how there's another hole kind of right there, right? So you're on this one. So what I did, I just put these legs up to line up to figure out that was the hole I needed to be in that back hole there. And then you have your bushing on the back. You take this bolt out, stick this one through, add the bar, keep it loose though. And then this one, like I showed you on the other side, this one just clamps in and you knock it down to where you want it. And then another one goes through here. You can see where I adjusted it just a little bit. But yeah, this one's the easiest one. You'll have this done in about 5 minutes, as long as this and this comes out easy. But yeah, really simple. And a lot better, I think. So we'll get it down here in a little bit and take a look. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps get these steps installed for you guys. Please like, share, and comment, and I'll see you again on the next video, which will be coming out pretty soon. Catch you later.